Welcome to episode 1 of the Luna Stargazer Build a Dome series, where we walk you through the key elements of dome construction from the ground up. In this episode, we're starting with the foundation. We'll look at the core options available, along with a few upgrades and creature comforts you may want to consider when planning your build. There are two main choices when it comes to dome foundations: concrete or a raised wood platform. Let's begin with wood foundations. A wood platform can support domes of any size. However, the larger and heavier the dome, the more support it will require, meaning thicker beams and more frequent joists. In colder climates, an insulated wood foundation is a popular solution. In this setup, the platform is raised around the perimeter, creating a recessed area where the dome sits. This recessed space is then filled with fiberglass or foam insulation, helping to reduce heat loss and giving the base of the dome a clean, polished finish. In wetlands or a property that experiences flooding or heavy seasonal rains, an elevated wood foundation is ideal to protect your dome from the elements. Now let's talk concrete foundations, a more rugged and permanent option. Concrete not only offers excellent stability, but it also opens the door to radiant floor heating, a luxurious upgrade that provides evenly distributed warmth throughout the space. There are two main types of radiant floor heating systems. Open systems circulate water that is heated and then released after passing through the floor piping. These can be paired with a geothermal heat pump for a highly energy-efficient setup. Closed-loop systems use a mix of water and glycol that continuously recirculates through the pipes. This method uses less water overall and offers consistent heating performance. No matter which type of foundation you choose for your Luna Dome, we are here to answer questions and provide expert recommendations every step of the way. Each Luna Dome also comes with a detailed engineering report that includes the specifications for each size of dome to help you plan your project. In episode 2, we will cover the framework options, including the frame thickness upgrades and color choices. Subscribe or follow us on Instagram so you don't miss any installments in the Luna Build a Dome series.